Here's how you can come up with endless content ideas for your business so you'll never run out of your backlog of content for every channel. So if you're doing a podcast or YouTube, or you're writing blogs, you're doing TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, whatever the heck it is you're doing, or you're doing all of them, good for you if you're doing that. This is where you can get an endless amount of ideas so you'll never ever run out. Three main areas. First area is questions that your customers have for you, things that they're asking you all the time. Second area is things that you're helping your customers do, problems that you're helping them solve either with your product or your business. Third area is topics that they care about. Let's break each of these down and then give examples of how you can actually find those ideas from conversations that you're having. Questions that people have for you is the easiest one because these are just frequently asked questions. So, at Interact, people might ask us all the time, how does a quiz work? What type of quiz is best for my business? How do I put my quiz on Squarespace? These are really easy, teed up content ideas, right? Because you can just make an article and a video and whatever other platform we want to be on that has how do you put your quiz on Squarespace, how do quizzes work, what are the types of quizzes, that type of stuff. Really easy ideas. Basically just write down every single question someone asks you. I guarantee you that if one person asks you in person, it's just like, remember when you were in class and one person raises their hand to ask a question, 10 other people had that question but they didn't raise their hand? Same concept. If somebody asks you a question, guarantee you a bunch of other people are asking that same question. So that's the first area. Second area is problems that you help people solve. So this is what you actually do in your business, but you can give away a lot of that through content, and it doesn't matter because when you have real customers who come along, they're going to need more from you than just like whatever sort of content you can put out. So this is really just a piece of what you do in your business. This is where you'll get a lot of ideas for things like templates. So you can give people a quiz template. We do hundreds of these, soon to be thousands, where it's like, here's a quiz template for skincare, or here's a quiz template for nails, or here's a quiz template for therapists or mindfulness, whatever it is. This is the actual problem that we are helping people solve. They want to make a skin type quiz or a therapy quiz or a dog quiz, whatever. We're able to provide templates through content that they can use to solve their problem. You definitely help people solve a problem. At least I hope you do. If you don't, then I don't know how that works to run a business. Everybody helps people solve problems in their business. Pay attention to what those problems are and then look for opportunities to turn those into content. Most of the time, like I said, these are going to be templates. So you're going to create a bunch of templates. This is a huge new category of content that I'm seeing get super popular in every type of business is the template category. So that's the second area. Third area is topics that your customers care about. So for us at Interact, we work with a lot of entrepreneurs. So people care about entrepreneurship and the stories of entrepreneurs. So we share a lot of stories of entrepreneurs on our podcast specifically, also on our blog and YouTube channel, all sorts of places we share those stories. So that's how you can key in on what your customers care about, is by talking about the topics that they care about and sharing stories and things like that. So that's another pillar of content. Honestly, between these three pillars, we've made, 1,500 pieces of content to date, and it accounts for 85% of our signups. And we're at 2.5 million in revenue, and we're going to make this a big part of our plan moving to 10 million in revenue. So this works. I've seen it work for brands that are way bigger than ours, where these three areas, and you can kind of just have it be a revolving door. Do one of each per week. Do one question that someone has. Make one piece of content answering a question, one piece of content helping them solve a problem, and then one piece of content on a topic that people care about. Just do that once a week and repeat the process. It will definitely help to grow your business. And the awesome thing about this stuff is once that content exists, it just keeps on existing. So you don't have to recreate it once it's already out there. It'll keep driving results, sometimes better, over a long time. So that is how to come up with just an endless stream of content ideas.